So we know that with the grid method, we partition the number and then multiply each partition separately. We write the numbers we are multiplying on our grid, then we complete the multiplication boxes. Finally, we add up our boxes to get our answer. But now we're ready to move on to column multiplication. So we write the larger number, then we write the smaller number underneath, and we line up our place values. So here, the 5 units we are multiplying by is written under the 6 units in 346. Now we're ready to start multiplying. 6 times 5 is 30, but because there are 3 tens and 0 units in the number 30, we can write a 3 under our tens column and a 0 in our units answer line. Now 4 times 5 is 20, but then we add the 3 tens we made from multiplying our units. So we have 23. So we can write 2 under our hundreds column and 3 in our tens column. So far, we've multiplied our units digits and our tens digits. Because we have a 2 under our hundreds column, really we've made 230 so far. And you can see, if you look back to the grid method, 230 is what we get when we add our tens and units answers, 200 plus 30. So even though this method may look very different to the grid method, the maths we're doing is the same. So now 3 times 5 is 15, but we need to add the 200s we made from multiplying our tens, so we have 17. And now we don't need to add anything up because you can see that we have our answer right there. Now we know how to solve 7 times 586 using the grid method. But now let's use the column method. We write out our question. 6 times 7 is 42, that's 4 tens and 2 units. So let's write a 4 under our tens column, 2 in our units answer line. Now 8 times 7 is 56, but we need to add the 4 tens we made from multiplying our units. So really we have 56 plus 4, so we have 60. So we write the 6 under our hundreds and 0 in our tens answer line. Now 5 times 7 is 35, but we need to add the 6 hundreds we made by multiplying our tens. So really we have 35 plus 6, which gives us 41. So our answer is 4,102. We know how to solve 6 times 261 using the grid method. So now let's use the column method. We write the larger number first, make sure our place values are lined up, and we're ready to answer. 1 times 6 is 6. Now 6 times 6 is 36, so we write the 3 under our hundreds and the 6 in our tens answer line. Now 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now pause the video and see if you can answer these questions using the column method. 7 times 3 is 21. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 7 times 3 is 21. So our answer, 2,181. Now on to the second question. 6 times 8 is 48. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. Now 2 times 8 is 16, plus 6 is 22. So our answer is 2,208.